Hi everyone, I welcome you all for this session. Today we are going to study a chapter from NCERT Class 7 English book, that is The Cob and the Anthem by O. Henry. This is a very beautiful story which gives a very interesting theme which can be applied in our life too. Let us first know the characters. The very interesting, or I should say fascinating fact about this story is the characters. And what is that? Actually, in the entire story, the protagonist, Soapy, is the main character, and then we have just cops in the entire chapter. The word can be seen in the title also, the cop. The cop means the policeman. In American English, we say cop. Now, the main character. Let me write the name. If we talk about this man Soapy, he is jobless and also homeless. So Soapy was sitting in the park in Madison Square. He was restless. He was confused. He didn't know what should be done. Why? The reason is the winter is approaching. Symbols, so many things were happening all around him that Soapy has to think that where he is going to spend this winter season. The most attractive sign that could be seen by Soapy was a dry leaf fell on his feet. The birds were flying to the south. These signs show that the winter was approaching. Soapy was jobless, without home also. He was worried that what should be done. He was not planning to have very big thing in life. His plans were very small. Although the people of New York during winter season, they plan to go to Florida. They plan to go to the shore of the Mediterranean Sea. But this man, Soapy, wants 3 months stay in the island, Blackwells. That is the prison, because there no worry for food, no worry for stay. Shelter and food easily available in that island. Now, this Soapy, he thought of many tricks so that the cops should catch him and he should be sent to the prison. The easiest way was, let us note down the different ways that this character will apply so that he could be sent to the prison, to that island. The best way was, go to some restaurant, have good food, and when they will ask for money, Soapy can say, I have no money. Call the cops. Cops will catch him. The judge will give the judgment. Soapy should be sent to the prison. And this was the sole motive of this man, Soapy. He tried to execute this trick practically. He went to the restaurant That was the best restaurant of that area. The best people in best clothes used to come to that place. Soapy noticed that he was fine from above. Coat was fine. His face was clean, although the shoes were broken, and also whatever he was wearing, the clothes were also torn. But he thought that he was looking sophisticated enough from the upper part and he will be allowed in the restaurant. When he entered the restaurant, the head waiter noticed, and Soapy, he was not allowed to enter that restaurant. Soapy was sad. He thought of another plan. So first was having food in the restaurant. That was the best restaurant of that area, but he was not allowed. Second, break the window. With the help of a stone, he tried to break the glass window. People came out, the cop was also there. Soapy was standing because he wanted that the cop should take him. But then, when the cop came, he asked, "Who broke the glass?" Soapy replied, "I might have done this." But the cop did not believe. Why? The person who will break the glass is not going to stand there and admit that he was the culprit. Again, the second trick was also failed. Then he tried the third one. What he decided? He started shouting, yelling like he was drunk. The cops, they noticed. One of the cops, he said, "We are allowed that such college boys, if they are shouting, yelling, let them do, because they are not going to harm anyone." Again, third trick also failed. Now he thought of another plan. He went to another restaurant. This restaurant was not very hi-fi. It was a normal restaurant, and he was allowed to enter in that restaurant. Twice he went to the restaurant. First was the best one. Then he broke the window. He even went to another restaurant. Then he shouted, he yelled. These are the different tricks which he tried so that he could be sent to the prison. But all the tricks, they didn't work. Then finally, what he did? He took the umbrella of a man. He told that umbrella man, "Go and call the cop. I should be punished." But this umbrella man, he told him that if it's your umbrella, you can have it. Actually, I found this umbrella somewhere in the restaurant. Again, the plan was flopped. Then finally he decided to go back to his home, and his home means a seat in the park. While he was going, he stopped at a place where his childhood home was there. He peeped inside He could see the living room, and then a sweet music was coming from that window. When he heard that soothing music, anthem was being played, that soothing music changed the soul of Soapy. A wonderful change came in him. He started thinking what all happened when he used to have everything, flowers, mother, good moments, clean thoughts, and then he also thought of bad desires which were useless. He thought of bad hopes. He thought of what made him fall in this situation. And then with this music, he got the inspiration to change his life again. Soapy thought that he would change his life. He would make a good man out of him. He remembered that once a person offered him a job. So he thought that next day he would find that man and he would do some good deeds in his life so that he could have a good life. And while he was thinking all this, suddenly a hand came. He felt a hand on his arm. He turned. The cop was there. He asked him, "What are you doing here?" Soapy replied, "Nothing." The cop said, "Okay, you think I'll believe?" Now what happened? Soapy was full of strength. He argued with that cop. And you know, arguments with the cop in New York City, nobody will tolerate. So what happened? The cop caught Soapy, and then the judge gave the judgment 3 months stay in that island. And here ends the story. So students, have you understood what all happened here? Soapy tried his level best. He applied so many tricks. He made so many plans just to have 3 months stay in that prison so that he could spend his summer season properly without any problem, where he could get 3 months food and shelter. Even if we see in our lives too, have you ever noticed or found that the things that happened was just the opposite of what you thought of? Might be. And this is the irony of the situation. This is what all happened in this chapter, the cop and the anthem. What he expected and what happened was totally different. When he was trying to find a solution for his stay during winter season, he applied so many tricks, but the result was totally different. And when he decided that he is not going to do anything such tricks, he thought of leading a good life. He thought of searching for a job. And then what happened? He tried that the cop should caught him, but at last the cop caught him when he was not willing. So see, this is the irony of the situation, and this is all highlighted in this chapter, the cop and the anthem. But the best thing which happened in this story was that a wonderful change came in the soul of Soapy. That music which he heard transferred his life. A transformation came within himself. All that which happened in his life, He wanted to make the things in proper order. He was ready to improve his own life. He was ready to work hard to have a better life instead of just depending on others or just thinking of getting a stay of 3 months in some prison. No, now Soapy was ready to change himself, to change his ways, to change his habits. And this is all about this chapter. Thank you so much. Please like, subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you once again.